Okay, so I have to grind these rings off a bit. Best thing to do is grind always on one side and grind from the outside in, so all the burrs goes inside. Anyhow, if you check for burrs anyhow, but that's the optimum way to reduce burrs. So you have these two guide pins, you push it against, and then slowly you can put pressure on here, and make sure you grind it in such a way that whenever you press these close, that these two lines are nicely parallel, so you don't have a weird angle on there. Yeah, that's also how it is stated in the manual of the recycle rings, good and bad. All right, let's go. All right, I finished gapping one ring. As you can see, this is an ungapped ring, and here you see a gapped ring. So it's a bit larger, and so if you see it side by side, you see quite the difference a bit. And this is within spec, and this one is an ungapped ring. So we continue with the second ring, third, fourth from all the pistons, and then we continue with the other rings. Let's go. All right, I finalized all the gapping of the rings. You can see here, well, they're similar. So they're all in spec, and then grinding the second ring, which should have a larger clearance because the second ring gets a bit more heat contained, and then it needs a larger gap. So here you see the second ring. I gapped it already. You see it's a different material. I think this one can withstand heat a little bit better. Yeah, because it's buried under the top ring, and the combustion also cools a little bit when fuel comes in. So the second ring gets a little bit hotter, that's why it needs a larger clearance. Yeah, it's also a bit thicker, what I noticed. So anyhow, I gapped them all. I just put them back in the boxes. Then next up, I'll install them on the piston, and also show you a bit some more details about the K24 block. Yeah, let's go.